in a few hours, the very first Pfizer vaccine booster shots will be administered to a select group of people. It will provide another layer of protection from the potentially deadly virus. Christy Diaz joining us live from outside the Department of Health to walk us through, Christy, who will be able to get the shots and where.
Good morning, Aisha. The DPH will begin administering the Pfizer booster shot at public health vaccination sites across the state starting today, but it will only be for people who fall into one of these four categories. You should get the booster shot if you are 65 or older, or if you live in a long-term care setting, or if you are 50 to 64 years old and have an underlying medical condition. Anyone age 18 to 49 with underlying medical conditions, you may receive a booster shot, but right now it's not strongly recommended. And the state health department says people 18 to 64 working or in a setting that puts them at greater risk for exposure should follow the same guidance. So if you qualify in one of those four categories, you can start getting your booster shot today. But Dr. Carlos Del Rio of Emory University says there is no need to rush out the door.
It's not like something magical has happened that you need to get the booster shot right away. The good news is cases in Georgia are coming down, and as cases coming down, the chances of getting exposed come down as well. So get your booster, but there's not a rush to do it. And please don't overwhelm pharmacies and healthcare facilities and other places.
Now, one quick note for people in Fulton County. Fulton County will begin administering the COVID booster shots tomorrow, but you can start scheduling your appointments today. They will be offered again to people who have been fully vaccinated with the Pfizer vaccine for at least 6 months. And Dr. Del Rio says booster shots really aren't the thing that's going to end the pandemic. It's getting people vaccinated in the first place. Aisha.
All right, Christy, I'll take it from here. Thank you. As vaccine booster shots roll out, we want to keep you in the loop with where Georgia stands with current COVID vaccinations. New numbers this morning show 54% have at least one dose, while 47% are fully vaccinated. Now, there's a bit of light at the end of the tunnel this morning. Georgia's number of new COVID infections and patients continues to decline statewide. So right now, there are about 3,200 new cases. That's down more than 20% in the last week. Georgia's test positivity remains high. It is double the level recommended by the World Health Organization to avoid high community spread of the virus. Now, there are also fewer COVID hospitalizations. August 12th was the last time we saw a number this low. Those with the virus make up about 24% of all people in the hospital as of Friday. We'd like to get that number well below 20% to make sure our hospitals aren't overwhelmed. Now, Georgia continues to struggle with COVID-19 deaths. Right now, we're facing some of the highest averages yet. As of Friday, 126 more Georgians lost their lives to the virus. Nearly 22,000 people in Georgia have died from COVID. The holiday season is just around the corner, and many are wondering if Thanksgiving will be similar to last year, you know, when a lot of us couldn't even gather with family and friends due to this COVID surge. Well, in our next half hour this morning, medical experts share their perspective on whether or not things will be better by Turkey Day.